Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to find the account number of your Citibank account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Citibank website. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open up citi.com. This is the main URL right here. If you're on your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the application and open it up. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, and this is going to be the main page from where we can get started. So the first thing we want to do is to log into our account that we want to take a look at account number 4. So if you haven't already, you can go ahead and open an account. If you already have an account but just haven't activated it online, what you can do is click the activate button right here. So using the activate button, you can go ahead and set it up. So once you've gotten your account, log in normally, and now you're going to go and be greeted by the home page. You're going to go and be greeted by the home page where your dashboard is going to be, and you can take a look at your account balance, payments, and so on. And now we can get started with checking our account number. So how do we do so? It's very easy. As you can see, we have the steps right here in the official Citibank website showing us how to find our account numbers. To find your account number and wire transfer routing number, we are going to log into Citibank online just like I just showed you, and then we are going to select the desired account and view details in the account information box. So where is your account information box? Well, in the upper right corner. Once you have logged in, you're going to go and be able to click on your account name and your real name, and then you're going to go and be able to select the account information box. From there, you're going to go and be able to find all the info that you need, such as your routing number, account number, and so on. All of that is going to be available right here from that information box, and that's how you can find any info that you need. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.